Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade fabric flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. I use tulle fabric and organza fabric. This is the petal shape that I use to make this flower. And to cut the fabric into this petal shape, I use a soldering iron. Place the tulle fabric and place the organza fabric on top of the tulle fabric. Heat up the soldering iron and start cutting the template like this. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, you can see the description below. You can see the shape is very nice. And the best thing is both fabrics fuse together. Make 7 pieces of this. Fold the fabric in half. I like to pinch it like this. So I pinch and grab the fabric at the same time. Lay the fabrics on top of each other like this. Make another one with only 3 pieces. Attach them together. Prepare stamen or pistil. Put the stamen at the center here. Use hot glue to secure the stamen. Finish the back side of this flower. Our beautiful flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this fabric flower tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe.